Say goodbye to the hassle of manual cleaning with the Dreame Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. Designed with advanced smart navigation, powerful suction, and an efficient self-cleaning system, this device ensures your floors stay spotless with minimal effort. It seamlessly vacuums and mops, adapting to different floor types for a deep clean. With app and voice control, you can schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and monitor progress from anywhere. Experience effortless cleaning and a consistently fresh home every day. Follow for more.